Paulie! Got my friend compete to a dark today. Hi there, Paulie.
Hi, Chris.
Guess what Angus can do? He doesn't think it's possible. Maybe he proves wrong.
What is it?
Have you ever heard of an Olympic sit-up?
No, what's that?
Hard as shit, that's what it is.
Alright then. So what you do is you get down on the floor.
Okay, like this?
Yeah. Lay down the whole way.
Like I'm gonna do a sit-up.
You gotta bring your nose up to my hands, okay?
Okay.
Alright, touch it. Good job. Alright, come up again. Alright, one more time. Ready? Oh, you see that, man?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Stupid pause.